Hey everyone, this is Kay or Kadisha from Kay's Nail Experience, and I'm back with another tutorial, this time acrylic application, right? So we jump straight into it, pushing back the client's cuticles in this clip. Now I'm going in with my 240 grit sanding band. This is used to remove the shine off of the natural nails, remove all oils and shine so that the products adhere properly to the nails. Take note of the motion that I'm going. So I'm going up and down the nail, and then I'm going across to the cuticle, making sure that I remove all shine. So I first do this with a bigger sanding band, 240 grit, and then I switch to my thinner sanding band to make sure that I get the cuticle area, which you will see soon. Right, so this is where I go in with my thinner 240 grit sanding band. I'll go around the cuticles to make sure that I remove all of it. Right, so now I am sizing the tips, choosing the correct size, making sure it fits sidewall to sidewall. So after gluing on the tips, I go in with my cutter and my magnets and I cut it to the desired length. Then here I am blending in the nails. I'm blending it into the natural nails. Once fully blended, I go in with my hand file and I shape it accordingly. Then I go in with my nail prep, which is my dehydrator, and my nail extra bond primer, both by Mia Secrets. Now I am starting my acrylic application using the 3-bead method. So this is after I have applied acrylic to all the nails, and I am now showing you how I went about filing, right? So first you file sidewall to sidewall, then you file the tip sidewall, ensure that you're keeping your nail file as straight as possible to get that sleek straight look. Then you go in and you go left to right. This is me buffing the nails after I have filed all the nails. lastly, I seal the cuticle with acetone.